Champions Lego set, and this is my friend Will.
Hi.
Today we have 3 challenges set up for us, and the loser gets pied in the face. And our first challenge is, who can build this the fastest? 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, on to the next challenge. I'm gonna go first, and you need to hit the poles. Go.
Let's go! Let's go!
You lost the wheel! I need the wheel.
Hey, I won!
Finale time. Now you have our 2 cars that are almost destroyed, hooking them back up to a Suburban, and we're gonna drive them up the hill. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go! Mine is good. Oh, Wilson is stumbling. He has not loosened his feet. Wilson! Oh, my came off! Stop! Our car. Okay, we're done. My car snapped in half is
Broken into several pieces.
yeah.
Just say that.
Okay, and this is how we determine who wins. Which car broke off the last? So whichever car stayed on the longest. Let's check it out. And the winner is...
Yay! 3, 2, 1.